Yes, very good evening, all of you.
Good evening, sir.
So, what I discussed with you, around 80 of us will finish the syllabus. So, we will start from first day itself for the first class. So, I will start with ITF, inverse trigonometric functions, dear students. ITF, inverse trigonometric functions chapter. In the final examination point of view, ITF, how many marks means? 8 marks. How many marks? 8 marks. Okay. One more question they will ask from domain and range. The very important compulsory question they will ask from 1 mark is domain and range concept. Okay. Domain and range. So, ITF, inverse trigonometric function, domain as well as range. Sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, cosecant inverse x, secant inverse x. Domain. What is the domain of sin inverse x? Minus 1 common including. Minus 1 common including. Tan inverse x or minus 1 common excluding. Or minus 1 common excluding. We have two types of brackets already, you are aware. One is called including, one is called excluding. Including means minus 1 both together. Excluding means minus 1 and 1 not both together. Between minus 1 and 1 remaining values. What is the range of sin inverse x? Minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 including. This is 0 comma pi including. Tan inverse x is. Anybody? Tan inverse x. Minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 excluding. Yes or no? This is 0 comma pi excluding. Next, including minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 minus set 0. Including 0 comma minus set pi by 2. Why all these things are means? What is cosecant inverse 0? 1 by sin 0. 1 by 0 does not exist, no, that's why. What is secant inverse pi by 2? Infinity does not exist. That's why except 0 in cosecant inverse, except pi by 2 in cosecant inverse, remaining are range. From this they will ask one question, 1 mark in regular board exam. How? Simply they will ask what is the range of cot inverse x? What is the answer? Range of cot inverse x. 0 comma pi excluding. Okay. What is the domain of secant inverse x? What is the domain of secant inverse x, dear students? R minus 1 comma 1. It is not difficult to remember. You can remember on order. What is the order means first? Sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, cosecant inverse x, secant inverse. First order of the ITF, inverse trigonometric function. What is the order? I repeat. Sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, cosecant inverse x, secant inverse x. Can you spell it once again, everybody? Sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, cosecant inverse x, secant inverse x. That is ITF order. Domain. What is domain? Minus 1 comma 1 including, minus 1 comma 1 including, R minus 1 comma 1 excluding, R minus 1 comma 1 excluding. See, minus 1 comma 1 including, minus 1 comma 1 including, R minus 1 comma 1 excluding, R minus 1 comma 1 excluding. Next, range. Minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 including, 0 comma pi including, minus pi by 2 pi by 2 excluding, 0 comma pi excluding, minus pi by 2 pi by 2 including, minus set 0, 0 comma pi minus set pi by 2. Understand?
Yes, sir.
This is the domain and range of inverse trigonometric function. Compulsory one mark question will ask from the final examination. Understand what I am saying? Out of 150 marks, dear students, every day we can cover nearly minimum 3, maximum 5 marks, or minimum 2, maximum 4 marks, or maximum 3 marks. Okay, like that we can cover every day. 80 hours I said, 1 hour every day. If you cover 2 marks also, 80 into 2, 160 marks we can cover. Understand? But we have only 150 marks. Understand? Please respond back, everybody. Only 2 members are there. Where is Tejas? That girl, she came, no?
Sir, she has left, sir.
Maybe she tried to join again, but I didn't accept because I'm explaining now.
Okay, sir. She got disconnected, it seems, sir.
Correct. Copy this. It's a 1 mark question, not complete table. Just then last domain or range. Copy this. Yes. Purvika L. Patil, she came. What I'm writing is clearly visible to everybody.
Yes, sir.
What I discussed in this, Tanushri, are you there in class?
Sir, she left again.
Maybe she has the network issue, sir.
Yes, that's correct. Order is sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, cosecant inverse x, secant inverse x. Domain -1 common including, -1 common including, or minus -1 common excluding, or minus -1 common excluding. Range -π/2, 0, π including, -π/2 excluding, 0, π excluding, -π/2 including minus x0, 0, π including minus set π/2. Again she joined. Yes, everybody? She's there. She's connecting still. No, she left that. Unable to connect, I think. Completed. This one.
Yes, sir.
I repeat once again. The order sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, cosecant inverse x, secant inverse x. Domain is -1, 1 including, -1, 1 including, or minus -1 common excluding, or minus -1 common excluding. Range -π/2, π/2 including, 0, π including, -π/2, π/2 excluding, 0, π excluding, -π/2, π/2 including minus set 0, 0, π including minus set π/2. This is the domain as well as range of inverse trigonometric function. They will ask for 1 mark. Very, very important. Tanushree Patil, can I give a minute for writing this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You can copy this one. Just to domain and range of inverse trigonometric functions is very important for 1 mark. You got this one?
Yes, sir.
Dear students, complete. Can I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You all belongs to PU board only, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We
That's
three
fine.
are from Vidya Mandir College, sir.
No, that's fine. You are from PU board or CBSE board?
PU board, sir.
Done. No, I am telling, asking the syllabus. PU. You are studying PU, no, or CBSE 12th class? PU. Now you see, dear students, we need to discuss how inverse trigonometry is possible. First of all, suppose like x is equal to sine theta. If you transfer sine from left hand side to right hand side, becomes sine inverse x is equal to theta. Yes or no? Let us assume y is equal to cos theta. Transfer left hand side, cos inverse y is equal to theta. Some
Yes,
alpha is equal to tan theta. Tan inverse alpha is equal to theta. Similarly, x is equal to cosecant theta. Transfer left hand side, cosecant inverse x is equal to theta. Y is equal to secant theta. How can we write secant inverse y is equal to theta? Some beta is equal to cot theta. How can we write cot inverse beta is equal to theta? So how a inverse trigonometry possible means from trigonometry only it is possible inverse trigonometry. Okay, just you take from left hand side to right hand side. I cannot go in depth because we are not discussing about JE and all other concepts. Only we are going for regular concepts. So how much it is required, only that much I can explain. Okay. Copy this. Completed means say yes or no. Completed, then I can continue. You can unmute your audio. Nothing will happen. Okay. Just interact. Good. Can I have this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, at the end of the class, I will ask everybody to switch on your video and show the notes. That's my habit, okay? Remember, compulsory last 5 minutes, last 2 minutes, I will check everybody notes and I can exit from the class.
Okay, sir.
We are
Now,
writing down.
Sin inverse of sin x. Can anybody say? The inverse trigonometry and trigonometry both together we can call it as directly angle. Cos inverse of cos y. What we can say? Y. Tan inverse of tan theta. Theta. Correct now? Similarly, cosecant inverse of cosecant x. X. Secant inverse of secant y. Y. Cot inverse of cot alpha. Alpha. Inverse trigonometry inverse trigonometry, normal trigonometric function is angle for inverse trigonometric function. Both get cancelled. We are getting only angle x. Understand the variable.
Over, sir.
Completed. Keep reading principal value. Principal value or solution? 1 second. The word they are using. Principal value is correct word. Keep reading principal value. One small definition. Just I can dictate you, right? Tanushree went and she came back. Again, somebody is doing login and the name of Tanushree. She is there now.
Yes, sir, I'm there. I had logged in from another device,
Okay, okay.
so it was showing connecting.
Then fine. Write the definition for principal value. The value of an inverse trigonometric function. The value of an inverse trigonometric function. The value of an inverse trigonometric function which lies in the range of principal branch is called principal value. We cannot say all values are called principal values, dear students. The value of inverse trigonometric function is within the range of the principal. That means, suppose if you consider sin inverse x, what is the range of sin inverse x? Anybody? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, correct now? So if you consider the value is between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, then only we can call it as principal value of sin inverse x. Similarly, if you want to consider the tan inverse x, what is the range of tan inverse x? Minus pi by 2 pi by 2 excluding. So between minus pi by 2 pi by 2, whatever values are there, those values only we can consider as principal values. More than pi by 2, less than minus pi by 2, whatever values are there, we cannot consider as principal values. Those are simple values, that's it. In first year trigonometry, you have the concept of principal solution. Within the range only we can consider as principal solution, no, like that. The range of, that's why range is very, very important. Whatever table we wrote, no, the table is very, very important. In the table, whatever range we wrote, that range is very, very important. So whatever values between that range of, then only we can call it as principal value. Understand? So I repeat once again, what is the range of, once again we'll discuss the table. What is the order? First, sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, cosecant inverse x, secant inverse x. What is the domain? Minus 1 comma 1 including, minus 1 comma 1 including, r minus 1 comma 1 including, excluding, R minus minus 1 comma 1 excluding. Correct now? Now range. Minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 including. 0 comma pi including. Minus pi by 2 pi by 2 excluding. 0 comma pi excluding. Minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 including minus set 0. Next 0 comma pi including minus set pi by 2. This is the domain as well as range. So whatever range values are there, within that range values, if you consider that, we can call it as principal value. Now we can start problems for principal value. Okay, everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Again, she left. Tanushri, are you there? No, she left.
Sir, she has some issues, sir. Why?
Now we'll start some problems. Okay, she's waiting and waiting. No. Write some questions, all of you. Exercise only will start. Okay. Exercise 2.1. Find the principal values of the following. Find the principal values of the following. Find the principal values of the following. Question number 1. Sin inverse minus 1 by 2. I need to explain some formulas before starting this. Dear students, sin inverse of minus x minus sin inverse x. Cos inverse of minus x, pi minus cos inverse x. Tan inverse of minus x minus tan inverse x. Cot inverse of minus x, pi minus cot inverse x. Cosecant inverse of minus x minus cosecant inverse x. Secant inverse of minus x, pi minus secant inverse x. These are the 6 formulas you need to remember. For sin inverse, tan inverse, cosecant inverse, negative k means directly negative, you write outside. But for cos inverse, secant inverse and cot inverse, negative k means you write pi minus. Okay. Write these 6 formulas first. After that, we'll start problem. Write these 6 formulas. Copy it. Understood? Then
Yes, sir.
yes. I think our meeting will end after 15 minutes. Oh, sorry, Tanushri is waiting on the waiting room. She left again. We'll start problems. So sin inverse of minus x minus sin inverse x, cos inverse of minus x pi minus cos inverse x, tan inverse of minus x minus tan inverse x, cot inverse of minus x pi minus cot inverse x, cosecant inverse of minus x minus cosecant inverse x, secant inverse of minus x pi minus secant inverse x. Understand?
Sir, I guess Tanushri is waiting, sir.
Huh? Tanushri? Somebody is waiting. Two members are waiting.
Sir, she is only joining from 2 of her devices, it seems.
Okay.
Like she's trying from both.
Because of that, internet is not correcting for her. Any device, no. It will share internet. Ask her to come from only one device. Better. Better one more SIM card you can use for these classes, sir. Everybody. It is easy for you. Or Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is must and should, otherwise very difficult to attend the classes. Correct, no?
Sir, can you just check once, sir? I think she's in waiting room.
Yeah, sure. Joining is coming. Okay, shall we start the problem? See the first question. Sin inverse minus 1 by 2. You know, according to, and one more thing you need to remember, not only this, one more formula table I can explain to you. So you know this, but even I'll explain. Sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, cosecant x, secant x. So values table. You are aware of values table? Zero degrees, 30 degrees, we can call it as pi by 6. 45 degrees, pi by 4. 60 degrees, pi by 3. 90 degrees, pi by 2. Correct now? Sin 0, 0. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 90, 1. Similarly, cos is reciprocal of sin. 1 root 3 by 2. That means reverse of sin. Root 3 by 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by 2, 0. Sin by cos tan 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 1 by root 3. Root 2 cancel 1. Root 2 cancel root 3. 1 by 0 infinity. Cot x is reverse of tan. Infinity root 3. 1 by root 3 0. Cosecant is 1 by sin. 1 by 0 infinity not defined. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 root 2. 2 by root 3 1. Reverse 1 2 by root 3 root 2 2 infinity. Understand? You write these values also. You need to remember these values also. Compulsory. Write these values. Write these values. She came. I said accept, but still it is showing join. Internet issue. Do it. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it will disconnect means we can join again. How much time is up? Just I think 2 minutes left. Remember these two values as well as this one. So if you remember these two, we can solve first exercise very fast and easy also. Okay. First question we'll discuss now. Can I have this? Sin inverse minus 1 by 2. How to write? Sin inverse will come outside. Minus sin inverse 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means sin how many degrees? 30 degrees. Pi by 6. Sin inverse sin cancel. Minus pi by 6. Correct now? I repeat once again. Sin inverse of minus x formula minus sin inverse x. So minus will come outside. In place of 1 by 2, write sin 30 degrees. 30 is pi by 6. Sin pi by 6. We know formula sin inverse of sin x is x. Sin inverse sin cancel x. X means pi by 6. Outside minus. Minus pi by 6 is the answer. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Everybody. Once again. Honestly, the class will going to be end. Again, you can join. Okay, everybody. After this question. Neera Patil understood?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana?
Yes, sir.
Sin inverse of minus x minus sin inverse x. Minus outside. 1 by 2 means sin 30. 30 means pi by 6. Sin inverse of sin x is x. Sin inverse sin cancel x is the answer. That means minus pi by 6 is the answer. Question number 2. Question number 2. I think it's time up. No problem, Tanush. It will happen to everybody. Sometimes for us also it will happen. Internet issue. I don't mind. Yes. Second question. What is the second question they given? Cos inverse of root 3 by 2. Cos inverse. Cos inverse of root 3 by 2. Cos inverse of root 3 by 2 is cos how many degrees? Anybody?
Yes.
30 degrees, no? 30 is pi by 6, no?
5 by 6.
Cos